Dingbo has extremely strict requirements for the quality of every diesel generator set. Before leaving the factory, strict load testing is an essential step. When a brand new unit is ready, it will face loading challenges of different degrees. Technicians are monitoring various data with full attention to ensure that the unit can operate efficiently and stably under various loads. The load changes from low to high are like the generator set experiencing one real battle drill after another. Only by successfully passing these tests can enter the market with it. Dingbo's quality assurance. Dingbo always firmly believes that only products that have undergone the most stringent tests can bring real peace of mind to customers. Choosing Dingbo diesel generator sets is choosing a reliable promise for your power needs. Let us witness the excellent quality of Dingbo together.